afternoon, everybody. My name is Mr. Decker, and today in math we are going to go over how to find or how to measure the center mean, median, and mode. To do this, first we're going to start off with some definitions. The mean, when we say the center mean of a number, the mean is the average of a group of numbers. So to find that, we're just going to add all of our numbers together and then divide, and we're going to find the mean. To find the median is the middle number in a group of numbers that are listed from smallest to largest. And the mode is the number that appears the most in our group of numbers. So it's really simple. We're going to have just 4 steps. The first step is we're going to list the numbers from smallest to largest. The second step is how we find the mean. So we're going to add up all of our numbers, and then we're going to divide that number by the number of values in our list. Our third step is how we find the median, and we're simply going to just look for the middle number in our list. And then our fourth and final step is to find the mode. And to do this, all we do is find the number that appears the most in our list. So I've got 3 lists of numbers on the board. I'll show you 3 examples. And then after that, you guys will have a worksheet and you guys will be able to work on your own. So our first step is, after we have all of our numbers, sometimes they'll be listed like this, sometimes they'll be in a word problem and you have to write down your own numbers. But once we find the numbers, we want to list the numbers from smallest to largest. So we're going to start with our smaller numbers. We have a 1, then we have another number 1. And I'm just, drop a number 2. We have a number 1. Then we have 1, 2. We have 2 number 2s. Then we have a number 4. And another number 4. Then our next number would be 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1 number 9 and 1 number 10. Alright, so that's our first step. As you can see, my numbers go from smallest, from 1s, all the way to number 10. So I've got all my numbers.
You forgot a 4.
Thank you. As my student just pointed out to me, I forgot a number 4. Thank you very much. So we have 3 number 4s. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 number 4s. Thank you for pointing that out. I must have missed that. Okay, so that's our first step. Our next step is we are going to add all these numbers together. We can do that with pen and paper, where we all have calculators and we can pull that up and we can do it together. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 8s plus a 9 and plus a 10. That equals 69. So we have a 69. And then we're going to divide it by the total number of values in our list. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers in our list. Alright, so we're going to take that number 69, divide it by 13, and our mean is 5.3. Alright, so we'll just alright. So next, to find the median, we're just going to look for the middle number in our list. So we have 13 numbers in our list, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we know that the middle number is going to be our 7th number from each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our median is 4. Alright? So mean equals 5.3. Median equals 4. And next, we're going to find our mode. And our mode is we're just going to look for the number that appears the most in our list. So we have 2 number 1s, 2 number 2s, 3 number 4s, 4 number 8s, 1 9, and 1 10. So the number that appears most in our list is the number 8. Alright, so there we have our mean, median, and mode. We're going to go on to problem number 2. Alright, so we are going to just write them down in numerical order from smallest to largest. So we have a 15, 18, 19, 20, we have 3 20s, then we have a 22, a 23, and a 25. Alright, so I don't think I missed any numbers this time. Alright, so next, to find our mean, we are going to add all of our numbers together. So we can do 15 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 23 and plus 25. That will give us 182. Then we're going to divide that by the total number of values in our list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can use our calculators again. 182 divided by 9 equals 20.2. So our mean equals 20.2. Next we're going to find our median. And if we remember from the first one, our median is just simply the middle number in our list. So we have 9 numbers. So we can count 4 from each side. So our 5th number will be our median. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can go from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our median is 20. Next we're going to find our mode. And our mode is simply the number that appears the most. So we have 115, 118, 119, 3 number 20s, 122, 123, and 1 of number 25. So our mode would be 20. In this problem, our mean, median, mode are all pretty much similar. Alright, so we're going to go to our third and final example. We have the numbers 15, 12, 8, 26, 14, 11, 8, 15, 9, 10, and 15. And we are going to list those from smallest to largest. So my smallest number is an 8. Then a 9. Oh, we have 2 8s. We have 2 8s. Then we have a 9. Alright, then we have a 10. Then we have a 14, or 11. Then we have a 14. Oh, I forgot a number. You guys gotta be very careful when you do this because you're gonna start missing numbers like I am. A number 12, then our 14. Then we have 1, 2, 3 15s. 1, 2, 3, and then our number 26. Alright, so remember we're going to just add all of these numbers together. We can do that with our calculator, or if you want to do it with pen and paper, you can do it that way. But it might be easier just to use our calculator. Yes, Landon.
Forgot underline.
It's okay. let's just add our numbers up together. We have 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 14 plus 3 15s. Then our last number is a 26. So we have 143 for our sum of our numbers. And next we divide it by the total number of values, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that equals, let's see, divided by 11, that gives us 13. So our mean equals 13. Okay, so next we're just going to look at our list and find the middle number. So we had 11 numbers. So our middle number will be our 6th number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 12 is our middle number, and that's our median. Then next, our mode, which is the number that appears the most. And if we look at our list, that would be our number 15, since that appears 3 times. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. At this time, I'm going to be passing out some worksheets. I'll watch you guys do it on your own. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And remember, your steps are up here if you guys forget anything, okay? Thank you.